Oh, hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a fold reverse escalator, which looks like this. The mechanics of the move incorporates folds, which look like this, and escalators, which look like this. I have tutorials on these moves that I'll link below if you need help learning these moves. Take the hoop in your right hand and begin folding the hoop around your arm towards your back. This is a counterclockwise fold about the arm. As you release your grip, the hoop will naturally travel about your body and hit these points as it travels down. You can take a step out of the hoop once it hits your legs, but this is not necessary to do. Let's go through that again. Lift your arm above your head and fold the hoop towards the back. Open your hand and the hoop will wrap around your right arm, your back, around your left thigh, your legs, and then you catch it with your right hand before it hits the ground. This time I will release the hoop to show you what it looks like. And here's a slow view from the side. As the hoop wraps around your arm and torso, lift your left leg to catch the hoop in this crease. This helps with the timing on when to lift your leg to step out of the hoop as it falls. Let's try that again. And this time I will not stop the hoop but step through it so you can see what it looks like. And that's the move. Since you got it down with your right arm, let's try with your left arm. Review the two components of the move, folds and escalators. Now fold the hoop about your left arm in a clockwise direction. As you open your hand, the hoop will wrap around your body until you catch it with your left hand near your legs. As you release your hand, the hula hoop wraps around your left arm, your torso, your thigh/hip, and then your legs. I find it helpful to lift my arm high in the sky to let gravity help with getting the hoop down the body to the ground. Remember to trust your hoop will make it to all points of contact and catch the hoop with your left hand when the hoop makes it to your legs. And that's the fold to reverse escalator. Let's now go over a few transitions. Start with a fold to reverse escalator, then toss the hoop back up the escalator and catch it with your other arm to continue into another escalator, a continuer escalator of sorts. Okay, enough of that. Another transition is to start with a fold reverse escalator, step out of the hoop, and then move into a behind the back mandala. Let's see if I can do it on the other side. There's a little mistake there, but I got most of it. And that's the tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the fold reverse escalator move and check out my hula hoop tutorial playlist for other beginner hula hoop tricks. Bye!